Hey everybody, and welcome. Well, a little extra video today, so no modeling or stuff like that, just another topic that I wanted to discuss with you guys, okay? Now, I've been creating videos on YouTube since 2013. I posted well over 900 videos so far, and one of the things that I always try to do is answer each and every question that I get. Now, with almost 90,000 subscribers, that is becoming increasingly difficult, and what I decided to do is add some perks on my Patreon page. Now, if you don't know what a patron is, that is a site where you can financially sponsor content creators like myself. And in this case, you can start doing that by simply donating $1 a month, right? Now, $1 a month may not sound a lot, but trust me, it makes a huge difference. Now, if you decide to do a bronze patronship, which is $5 a month, you get an invite to the shared drive with tutorial files. You get early access to tutorials, so you get to see the tutorial a day or even a couple of days before the rest of the world sees them. You get a priority when you send in questions and whatnot. And I even added a perk, which is the platinum one, where you get a free 1-hour Skype session with me once a month to talk about your work, your portfolio, your project, or maybe having issues getting hired or whatnot. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you guys. I'll put the link right here, and if you got any questions, let me know. And thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.